Hello, welcome to TechMifa. My name is Isaac, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Audacity latest version. Before we do that, please subscribe if you haven't. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. You're going to get a lot of great stuff. Also, you can join our Telegram group and we can get to socialize a little bit. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. Okay, so before we start, let's open our browser. So we are going straight to Audacity's website so that we can get the software from them directly. Because I get a lot of questions. Is the virus, is it virus free, is it what does it contain virus? And before I say something, if you have an antivirus that doesn't help your PC, you have to search for an antivirus that is really good for your PC. I'll be doing a video that talks about 5 or more antiviruses that are good for your PC, so you should subscribe and never miss that video. Okay, so we are now in our web browser. Precisely, we are in the Google search engine. So we are going to search for Audacity because we want to go to the main website and get our software from them. Okay, so let's go ahead and search Audacity, and then you search. So as you can see, there are a lot of searches here. Don't worry, the first link that pops up, as you can see, it says audacityteam.org. so that is where you are supposed to go. That is the official website of Audacity. So what we are going to do is open the website. Alright, so as you can see, it has opened, and you can see how software looks like over here. So those of you who are new to Audacity, you can see how the software will look like after you install it. Okay, so if you want to download Audacity for your Mac and your Linux or your Windows, there's an option here. You can go download, just show your mouse cursor to download, and it brings down some other stuff. So as you can see, Windows, Mac, Linux, source, plugins. Also, you can also see from this side the download button here, and it says Windows, Apple, and Linux. Okay, so I'm gonna go straight ahead to this side, to Windows, because I want to make sure that I am getting the Windows I want to make sure I'm getting the Windows software. I don't want to go and be downloading the Mac's software if I want the Windows software. So as you can see, it has opened here. Okay, so since our machine is Windows, you can see it started downloading over here. So immediately you click on this Windows, it will start to download. So you can go straight to the down left side of your Windows. You can see it's starting to download right here. So I will come back when it has finished downloading. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back. As you can see, Audacity Windows version is successfully downloaded, and as you can see, I'm going to open where the software is downloaded. So let's go straight to this side, show in folder. As you can see, this is Audacity here, Windows version. So you can do the same thing for Mac, for the MacBook Pro or Mac laptop. So let's go ahead to install. So we are going to double click it. Let's double click this software. But before that, those who cannot download straight from the website, I will provide the software in the description. I'll provide a link so you can download it directly if you don't want to go to the website. I also provide the website's link in the description, so you can go ahead and check the description for all the information you need. If you still don't get it, you can still join the Telegram group, and then you give me a hint, then I'll see how I can resolve that, or you can tell me on Instagram. Okay, so let's go ahead and install this. So I'm going to open it, or I'm going to double click it, anyhow you want to do it. Okay, so yeah, this window will pop up, so I have to run it. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, so it says we should choose a language. So since I'm speaking English, I don't know any other international language apart from Spanish. I'm sorry, let's just choose English. So let's choose English, right? And then you go to next. You can read the terms and conditions. Yeah, so you're gonna create shortcut on the desktop. You're gonna install. Okay, so I'm gonna go to next, and then it says I should launch. If you want to launch, you just make sure you check this button and then you click finish if you want to launch. So I want to launch, so let's see what happens. So as you can see, Audacity has opened, and this pop-up here is only trying to tell you how to get help. Yeah, help from Audacity's team. So okay, so I'm just going to close this. I don't need it right now. Alright, so this is our famous Audacity software. So there are a lot of things you can do here. You can go ahead to record here, start recording here, you can pause, you can play, you can stop. Yeah, so basically this is Audacity here. Yeah, so there is no need to activate. When Audacity has an update, you can just go to help and then check for updates, or you can just go straight to the website and then you see if there is an update. Alright, so as I said earlier, please don't forget to subscribe so you can join the Telegram group and ask questions. Don't worry, this is virus free because I took it from the website, so you can also take it from the website. But the only thing that can cause virus is your antivirus. There's this antivirus that its function is to do the opposite of what virus is doing. But there are some antiviruses that rather help the virus in your system and then kind of destroy all your files and things. So you have to be careful of certain antiviruses. I'm going to make a video of some of the not so good but good antiviruses that you should use that can at least help you a little. So you can stay tuned. Thank you for watching.